Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today video is about filter, advanced filter. This is my favorite after VLOOKUP and this is the second most function I used in my last 2 years. Reason for using this is it gets my particular task within seconds and not even minutes I'm telling you, and I don't have to double check my work. Let's begin. Let's take a scenario. You're working on a company's expense data and sales department head or manager comes to you and tell that these 15 company codes, okay, which is in O row, these 15 company codes belong to his department and he needs the data on this 15 company codes. And this is the most common scenario you will see. Now, generally, what you will do whenever this kind of data comes or this kind of request comes, you will go to company code and then you will see, okay, 9284, you will go for 9284 and then you will see 4950, then you will go for 4950 and check it and give the data, right? Nothing you have to do like. First thing you have to make sure that if these are company codes, the header of your data should match this. Okay, this is the first thing. If you don't do this, it will not work for you. Okay, done. This is the only thing you have to do. Come to the second page. Okay, go to the data tab and you will see a advanced filter. Okay, click advanced filter. This box will be open and I personally feel that I always copy to another location. Another location means another sheet, not on the same data where I have my complete picture, right? So I always do this. And now what is your list range? You will first click here, come to the travel expense data. Your list is your data you're working on. Okay, the complete data. You will take it. Okay. What I did is I did control shift down and cross arrow or right arrow or left arrow wherever you are. Okay, now what is the criteria range? Again you will click here. Okay, and then you'll go to again travel expense data. What is your criteria? The criteria is the 15 company codes given by your manager. You'll again do control shift down arrow. This is selected. You have to select the header also. You have to make sure. Okay, now where you want to copy, you'll click here and you'll click again here because you want to copy on the new sheet. You'll again click here, it will come here and you just see, just do OK and see, you got this. Now, just to confirm you that we did the right, I'll just copy this here, and then I'll do remove duplicates. Now you see 15 company codes. What manager or the HR or the sales department gave you? 15 company codes. So this is the most easiest way. You don't have to, I'm telling you, you don't have to double check your data because this is correct. Okay. So this is the way you can do it. Thank you so much.